Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abad Khan, Senior Consultant Interventional Cardiologist. I am practicing at Vimhans Niyati Hospital, Lajpat Nagar. And today we will talk on this eve of World Heart Day about some special cardiac disorders like congenital heart defects. Congenital heart defects are the most common birth defects. They are present in around 10 of every live birth baby is born, and issue of diagnosing of these congenital heart defects is very problematic and sometimes maybe even complicated. These congenital heart defects have a very notorious tendencies of getting missed early on in the pregnancy, and around 50% of these cardiac defects are bound to have a surgical correction. So for these congenital heart defects, a prenatal screening, that is the screening or getting them diagnosed at an early age during the fetal life only, that is when the child is itself in the womb, is very important for diagnosis and the management of this disease, of the diseases. For diagnosis, it is an imperative to have a professional integration as part of radiologist, on the part of obstetrician, as also on the part of the cardiologist. We at Vimhans provide you the best integrated care for these type of diseases, as is early diagnosis helps in getting the stress, the psychological stress of the parents, the physical and the professional, as well as the economic constraints which will happen later on when the child is being born and not being diagnosed. Once this diagnosis of congenital heart defects is done, it is easier for the parents to get the child delivered at a center where the facilities of this cardiac care of this cardiac diseases are present, as well as the perinatal management or the management which is about to be done for these patients, be it by a cardiologist or by a surgeon, whatever the likely scenario will be. So it's my request to get all the babies, whether high risk, all the pregnancies, whether high risk or low risk, to get prenatal screening for these cardiac diseases done, whether it's a first pregnancy or a second pregnancy or the third pregnancy. And we wish that we will defeat this mortalities from these congenital heart defects very soon. Thank you.